Who's Waiting for the Dog Man movie.
Hello, anyone here?
Yippee!
OFK, mate. I forgot.
Okay, I love the spaceship.
Stop scrolling.
Let's go.
I'm iPhone.
What?
Oh, hi.
Wee woo.
Oh, cool.
I'm going up and down.
Just scanning myself.
I'm at the end of the rainbow.
Look, a leprechaun.
Say goodbye.
I think I'm allergic to myself.
I'm demonic.
What does this button do?
Just doing weird noses.
Oh, yeah.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the Arabian Republic of Egypt. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Egypt. A nuclear warheads has been launched from the United States and they are expected to strike Egypt within 15 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts about this missile, all residences of Egypt should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
Woo.
Robot takeover.
I'll scram.
Okay.
Here we go, Mother F. Kerr.
Hop. Yo.
Let's see what happens.
What are you doing?
I need to run away.
We.
What a nice day for a walk.